Hi, dear students. How are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the previous classes, we have studied about what is a word processor and we have studied how to change the font style or font name of a text. For example, URW Chancery L is a font name. And then we have studied about justify tool. What do you mean by justify tool? To align the left and right borders properly. Properly means in a straight line. After that, we have studied how to adjust the space between the lines. So we have studied a tool called line spacing tool. So what is the use of line spacing tool? It is used to change the space between two lines. Either we can increase or we can decrease the space between the lines. So these much topics we have studied in our previous classes. Now today we are going to discuss about preparing a greeting card. So dear students, we have already studied how to prepare a greeting card in your standard 6. I repeat, we have already studied how to prepare a greeting card in our standard 6. So please revise once more what all things we need to prepare a greeting card. The first thing we need is that we need to create a frame. Did you remember? Yes, frame. The first thing we need is that we need to create a frame. After creating the frame, we can type the letters inside that frame. After that, we can make the greeting card attractive. How we will make the greeting card attractive? We will change the background color of the frame and we can insert a picture inside that frame. So likewise we can make the greeting card attractive. So once more, in order to create a greeting card, first we need a frame. Inside that frame we will be typing the letters related to that greeting card. After that, in order to make that greeting card attractive, what we will do? How we will make the greeting card attractive? Yes, we will change the background color of the greeting card and we can insert the picture too. So this is how we will make the greeting card attractive and we will make a beautiful greeting card. So in today's class we will be creating a greeting card using these steps. Okay, so let us start today's class. So how to open LibreOffice Writer, my dear students? Yes, first go to applications at the top left corner here, and here you can see the option called Office. and third you can see the option called LibreOffice Writer. Now the LibreOffice Writer is open. Now in order to create a frame, what you have to do, you have to go to insert menu at the top, click on the insert menu. Here there is an option called frame, click on that, and here also you can see an option called frame, click on that. Now they will be asking the width and height. Okay, width and height, you can see here width and height, so you can give the width accordingly. Here I am going to give the width as 10 centimeter. That is up to you. centimeter, and here I am going to give the height as 12 centimeter. Okay, so width I have given 10 centimeter, height I have given 12 centimeter. Okay, after giving the size, you can click on OK button here at the bottom. Now you can see a frame is created. So on the borders of this frame you can see small squares. What is this small squares, blue color squares? Yes, this is known as nodes. Nodes we have studied in our last year. What is the use of these nodes? Yes, it is used to increase or decrease the size. Okay, what is the use of these nodes? It is used to increase or decrease the size. So if I want to increase the size, what I have to do? Yes, just make a left click, don't leave your mouse, and drag outwards and drag. Now the size is increased. Suppose if you want to reduce the size, again you click on any node, click and drag inwards. So the size will be reduced. Okay, so this is also very important in this chapter. Around the frame you can see small squares. These squares are known as nodes. What is the use of these nodes? It is used to increase or decrease the size of the frame. Okay, now in order to change the background color of this frame, here you can see an option called background color. Okay, so near to that there is a down arrow, click on that and you can choose any background color. Here I am going to choose a yellow color. Now the background is changed. Okay, so you can choose any color, whatever color you like you can choose it. Okay, that is up to you. Okay, so here I am going to give a yellow color. Okay, now dear students, in order to type inside this frame, what you have to do, please listen, this is very important. Now the frame is selected, you can see the nodes around the frame is selected. So what you have to do in order to type inside this frame, just make a left click outside the frame. I repeat, just make a left click on the mouse outside the frame, and again you just make a click inside the frame. I repeat, again you just make a left click on the mouse inside the frame. Now you can see the cursor is inside this frame. The cursor is inside this frame. Now you can type anything inside this. Okay, so I'm going to type happy birthday dear birthday dear mom or dad, whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to change the style here. Okay, we have already studied the style. Okay, I'm going to change the size to make it more attractive. I'm going to make it bold to make it more attractive. That is up to you. You already know these formatting tools. I'm going to change the color of the letter. Okay, and center alignment. These all things you can do. It's up to you. Okay, so this is how to type inside a frame. Now the next activity in your textbook is how to insert a picture inside a frame. I repeat, how to insert a picture inside a frame. So as the first step, what you have to do is that you have to place the cursor inside the frame. Okay, where you want to insert the picture, you have to place the cursor. Suppose if you want to insert the picture here, you have to place the cursor here. This is the cursor, this blinking one. So place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. After that, you go to insert menu at the top. Insert menu. Here there is an option called image. Click on that and you can choose your image from your computer. Here I have stored my image in this pictures folder. Click on that and here there is an image called birthday image. So select that and at the bottom you can see an option called open. Click on the open button. Now the picture is inserted. Okay, now around the picture you can see again the small squares in blue color. Can you see here this one and all? So these small squares again known as nodes. So these nodes are used to increase or decrease the size of the picture. So you can click on any node and drag to decrease the size or to increase the size. If you want to increase the size, again click on the node and drag. Okay, so this is how to insert a picture, and if you select this picture you can see the nodes around this picture. Using the nodes you can increase and decrease the size accordingly. Okay dear students, so by these things we have completed our first chapter. So in the next video or in this week I will be posting you the notes of today's class. Already I have given the previous classes. So today's class notes will be posted either in Google Classroom or I will be preparing a video for the notes for today's class. So today I have shown the activities. So as a review, what we have studied, dear students? Yes. So in order to create a greeting card, what you have to do? You have to create a frame like this. How to create a frame? Yes, first you have to go to insert menu. There you can see an option called frame. Inside that again click on frame. Here you can see the width and height. Width and height. You just type the width and height. That is up to you. You can give any value. After that you click OK. Okay. Now I am not going to click OK. We have already given. Okay. So you will frame like this will be created. So in order to select this frame, you just click on the border, any of the border of this frame, any corner, so you can see the nodes around the frames. After selecting the frame, in order to change the background color, here it is yellow, you can use this tool. See this tool, background color. You can see here it is written background color. You can choose any color, so the color will be changed. So in order to type inside the frame, what you have to do, just make a left click outside the frame first, then again click inside the frame, and you can type whatever you like here. Now in order to insert a picture inside a frame, what you have to do, you have to place the cursor. What is a cursor? This blinking line. Place the cursor where you want to insert the image, and you just insert the image. How? Go to insert menu. Here you can see image. Select your image and click on open button. Now I am not going to open, it is already open. Then you can select the picture, and using these nodes you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Likewise, you can make a beautiful greeting card. So this thing we have already studied in our standard 6. Again it is repeating in standard 7. So hope dear students all are clear about today's class. Thank you very much my dear students.